In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books. Navigating your financial records and properly managing invoices is crucial to maintaining accurate accounting. Whether you're correcting an error or dealing with a client payment change, you might find it necessary to cancel an invoice. Zoho Books provides a straightforward method to do this, ensuring your records reflect the changes accurately without causing any discrepancies in your accounts. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to head over to the Sales section in your Zoho Books account. You'll find Sales conveniently located on the left sidebar. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be presented with various options related to your sales activities. From this menu, look for the Invoices option and select it. This part of the platform contains all the invoices you've issued. Now that you're in the Invoices section, the next step is to identify the specific invoice you wish to cancel. Browse through your list of invoices and select the one that you need to void. Clicking on the invoice will open up a detailed view. It's always a good idea to carefully confirm that you have the correct invoice because voiding it is an irreversible action in Zoho Books. With the invoice open, shift your attention to the top of the page. You'll notice a More button represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options pertaining to the management of the selected invoice. Among the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Void. Select this option from the drop-down menu. This action will not delete the invoice, but will effectively mark it as canceled within your records. This means any financial data previously tied to this invoice will no longer impact your current accounting figures. At this point, Zoho Books might prompt you to enter a reason for voiding the invoice. Entering the reason is an important step for bookkeeping clarity, especially during audits or reviews, as it documents why this financial adjustment was made. Clearly articulate why the invoice is being voided to maintain a comprehensive record. Once you have provided the necessary reason, go ahead and confirm your decision. Zoho Books will process this action, and you'll see the invoice status change to canceled or void. With this, you've successfully canceled an invoice in Zoho Books, ensuring your records are both accurate and up to date. And there we have it. Voiding an invoice is straightforward and helps keep your business finances tidy and compliant. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide makes managing your Zoho Books invoices a bit smoother. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials to help enhance your business's financial management.